We have three other tools that are, it looks like they are important, but in my opinion not, but they are here. If you insert image or insert shape, it tells you based on this object selected, you want to insert behind that, you want insert above that, you want insert inside that. You are insert behind the selection. The most important thing is here. Select it, just you have to select once. So what is telling it, insert inside the selection. If you come here and for example draw a rectangle with this color, with this color, draw a rectangle, you can see they are inside. Going to rectangle, change the size of that, you can see the rectangle is inside, draw inside of that. It's masking, you can do it by own. From here, if you insert an image, for example this TC, you can see, boom. You before inserting, you have to select which behavior do you want. Insert inside, masking that. Select it and just click. You can see it's automatically bring inside. Or inside nothing. You can see they are regular. It's inside above of that. But sometimes when we insert an object, it's go at the top, the last. But we want to because it's useful when we have a lots of layer and we want to insert exactly this part. So you can make it insert at the top of the layer of the selected. For example, insert another image and just click. You can see it at the top of that. Or at the below of that. Select it. Select the image. And just click. It doesn't make it below of that. Select it. Make it below of selection. And you can see it, make it at the below. That's it.